What's happening, guys? Timmy Riggs here with Streakers Window Cleaning and Riggs Christmas Lights. It's one business, but we actually brand it two separate things. But I wanted to hop on and talk about three major things that have helped me in my business this fall when it comes to window cleaning and Christmas lights. For those of you that don't know me, on my channel, I talk pretty openly about the fact that this is my 4th year running my business and full-time, and that the first couple years I actually really kind of self-sabotaged myself a couple times. I was trying to decide whether this was the thing I was going to go all in on, this was the thing I was going to build, and like anything in life, what you put in is what you get out, right? So I was just kind of like squeaking through those first couple years, and probably about a year and a half ago when I started my YouTube channel, I was like, you know what? I really want to work on building my business and staying in my lane and staying focused. And so I've just kind of been sharing things that I've been learning with my business. This is coming from a guy who's not the guy that's gonna say like, hey, in 2 years, I had a $4.3 million business. That's not my story. But my story so far is over the last year, I've seen those numbers really start to grow, seen some efficiency in my business. 3 things that have really helped me see it grow this month, and the potential that I think we have in the spring. So stay tuned. I'm gonna talk about that, take you in a little bit of a day in the life here, and just talk about my business, share those 3 pointers, and we'll go from there. So thanks for jumping on, and stay tuned. All right, guys, what's happening? Sorry, it has been a minute since I've put up a video. Christmas light season has been just a full rush, just every day grinding. Brought on a couple guys. It's been really helpful. Today it's just me. Actually, I'm about to wrap this big tree here. I've got twinkling warm lights and then a elegant pattern, and that's the like cool white and warm white lights, which kind of give it that silver gold look. So behind you, which you can't see yet, I'll do like a pan of it, is the whole house is basically silver and gold. And so we're matching that. Yeah, Christmas light season's great. I haven't checked the final numbers yet, but with recurring and with new, I think we're over 40K for November and a little bit there at the end of October. And so that's really cool. And again, I want to give a huge shout out, which I also want to thank some of you guys. My guy Wyatt, who's been handling my marketing the last couple months, absolutely killing it, was bringing in more leads than I could handle. That's one of the things I learned, is that I got a lot of infrastructure I need to work on in my business, whether that's window cleaning and Christmas lights, but we were getting so many quote requests that I actually wasn't having time, as I was trying to train guys up to be out here putting up lights on houses. Didn't have time to get to all the quote. Realizing, hey, next year I want to make sure I've got a strong team put together to be able to handle all of it. That was cool. And Wyatt, he knows what he's doing. A couple of you guys have reached out to him to have a consultation about his marketing for your business, and I would say go ahead and keep doing that. So his description is in the link below, and you can check it out. He's just, I mean, we're just trying to help each other grow our businesses, so that's it. So with that said, I'm gonna wrap this a little bit, talk a little bit about business, and we'll go from there. So this is a job that they wanted the house done. I put a little frosty up. They wanted the yards done. And then after we did that, we kind of talked about a tree, and then they were like, yeah, let's do the tree for sure. So that's what I'm adding today. So really excited about it. And I think it's gonna look really good. And then I think in general, what I'm just really excited about for my business is window cleaning. But 2 guys I brought on, they're really starting to figure out the window cleaning really well. And so that gets me excited for window cleaning. We're actually gonna do a big push for window cleaning here right before Christmas, for like Christmas parties. I'll show that little commercial right now. Hey, Nichols Hills, are you hosting a Christmas party this Christmas? Nothing says I love you to your guests like clean windows. I'm Timmy Riggs, owner of Streakers Window Cleaning. We can get your outside windows clean, inside windows clean, screens clean, and gutters if needed before your guests arrive without you lifting a finger. If you want a quote, go ahead and click the link. We'll be in touch ASAP. Hopefully we scrounge up some more work before Christmas for Christmas lights, so that'll be cool. But in general, the marketing efforts, I really think if we are going to see the spring with the same effort and intentionality as we did with Christmas lights, we're gonna really explode and see maybe some similar margins, some similar income for that. But the Christmas light part was, I didn't feel as comfortable with guys getting on roofs yet as they're learning the whole process. And so I felt like I needed to be at a lot of the jobs, especially the new installs. But again, as we roll into window cleaning, that's where I'm gonna free up some time for me to be able to go out, do a lot more quoting as they're out doing jobs, and really excited about that. One thing was I got really close to getting a shop. Right now I'm using a storage unit. It's way too full. I'm actually probably just gonna go ahead and get a second storage unit, right? I like told you guys so many times, try to move at the speed of cash. I don't have a business loan, nothing like that. I looked at this shop. It was a great deal, 3,500 square feet with an office. It was unbelievable deal. And he even negotiated to try to get the price down even more for me and kind of do a stair step, you know, like lease negotiation over the next 3 years. And I just wanted to be able to put more money into marketing, and Gabe, Spotless Window Cleaning, if you follow him on Instagram, great advice from him was just like, hey, get a second truck before you get a shop, which again creates some more friction, and it's hard, but I would rather do it all in the right time instead of being way stressed about having to make a $2,600 warehouse lease payment every month for a few months. So that was going to be kind of the first tier of the rent negotiation. But so yeah, with that said, it'll happen, and I'm just trying to do it all at the right time. So let me get going on this tree. Okay, just wrapped this up. It could probably use more, so we're talking about it. She's going to take a look at it, and we'll decide, but I think it looks really good. I'm excited about it. All right, she decided she wanted more, so now I'm here with Pat, and we're gonna get more, so let's do it. All right, we got the lights here. They come in packages of like 24 or 25. I only needed 10 of each of those strands, but I buy wholesale, so unfortunately I had to buy both cases, and so which just makes sense. And so the extra that I'm gonna be adding, it's kind of gonna end up being a wash, but the whole tree is gonna look really good, and it's worth it, and I'll probably end up using these somewhere else too. So if not, I might throw some up in my house. Okay, so just wrapped up putting 20 more strands on that tree. That tree came out to 70 strands, so a lot of strands on there to make it pop. It looks really good. Should have videoed it, forgot. But was really excited about it. So that was a great job. House lights, yard lights, tree, something I'm excited about for sure. Looks great. Right now, I'm actually quoting a window cleaning job. So down the street, because of my truck, he saw my truck while I was out there putting those lights up. He called and said, hey, can you come quote my house? So I'm down here quoting. That's it. Just keep moving to the next thing. All right, good day, and landed that window cleaning quote, so that's pretty exciting. Just keep stacking them into the calendar. That's pretty great. So let me formally say the 3 things, because I've kind of talked about them throughout this video, but let me formally say them. And who's this video for? It's for the guy just getting started, because I know when you're just getting started, you're kind of grasping for what's gonna be worth it, what's actually gonna help, where am I wasting money? Or the guy who's maybe a year in, whatever, right? Like, 'cause I just know exactly where you're at. I've been there, right? So my 3 things that have been super helpful so far is, one, is getting Wyatt as my marketing guy. Just actually having someone that actually knows what they're doing in the background when it comes to marketing, online ads, handling Google, all that kind of stuff. He's made my website look so much better. He's got me ranking really good on Google, and he's got the ads really strongly targeted. Anytime I've ever tried to make good ads, even when like I watch the videos on how to do it, man, I'm getting guys from like New Hampshire calling me for window cleaning. I'm like, well, that's not right? So he's got it really dialed in to specific areas, sniping out the people that we want us to call us. So that's great. And I would say, if you have a little bit of margin or are able to find someone that can help you with the marketing side, do it. And again, it's him and I are both just trying to grow our businesses. So like, this is just me saying why it's an option for you. You can check out his link. He'll have a conversation with you and see if you guys could be a good match or not. I super trust him, great dude. And so that by far has been something that has helped us the last few months and has me really excited for the spring as we aim to put the same focus and intention into spring window cleaning as we do Christmas light season. Number 2, and it's gonna be a sponsored ad, but I talk to you guys about them all the time because I really believe in it and I use it, and it has been super helpful this Christmas light season. The last 3 years, I literally just used Google Docs and things like that, and it was a mess. This year, Jobber has been huge for the growth on the Christmas lighting side of the business. One of the things that Wyatt was able to do was he was able to connect our ad form straight to Jobber. So when someone filled out a request for getting their Christmas lights quoted, it got them set up right into Jobber right away as a client. All we had to do then was reach out, go out there, quote, send the quote to them. It's great because I'm able to line itemize the entire quote. So for roof line, yard lines, ridges of the house, things like that, whatever your business might be, it allows you to line itemize the things that you're offering. I was able to put pictures into it. On the bottom, they see all our Google reviews when we send the quote, and we're able to put in 10 photos of our work from the past. And so like, it's just super professional, and it's something that has been really helpful for me when it comes to scheduling my guys, quoting. That's where they pay online. And so just like across the board, it's something that ever since I've started using them, and then since I've partnered with them, it's something that has really, really helped me with my business. I learned that the biggest stress when it comes to my business isn't the work, isn't trying to find new customers, it's me having open loops. It's ultimately me just feeling like I haven't been organized enough on the back end when it comes to my business, and Jobber has fixed that and is helping me fix that and helping me get better at it. And so if you want to try it, you can try it for 14 days for free. The link is in the description. And then there's a pretty big discount if you do choose to move forward with them. And so we scratch each other's backs there. Again, I actually use this product, and it is a leveler up when it comes to professionalism, organization, and just feeling like you have your business under control a little bit better. And then the third one I waited a long time to do, and I see guys preaching to do this as soon as you can, and I am now going to be one of those guys. Bring on help, hire some employees. I was nervous about some of the things on how to handle it, and it turns out it's working really great. I've hired a couple great guys. They're working really hard. They're great with customers, and they're teachable and coachable. And so for me, it frees up times for me to get out and do quotes, to talk to new customers, to just make sure we're getting more jobs done kind of across the board. And so that is a huge thing that I believe is going to help scale my business in 2026, is just getting to the point where I feel comfortable with hiring guys and building the team and creating stronger systems for the team and building strong culture and all those things. And so if you're in a spot where you feel like, man, now I think I have just enough money, and that's probably where you're going to feel like you have just enough money where you can bring on some help, some part-time help maybe, do it, because you're going to blow your mind how much more you can get done and how much more efficient you can be. So with all that said, I'm excited. Really good fall, really good Christmas light season. Excited for where we're headed with window cleaning. And really, as always, I say I want to get a lot better at making sure I do more consistent content here. It was just super busy weeks and days the last couple weeks, and so all of those things being accounted for, those are the three things that I think is, once you've got the skill down and you're creating a little bit of a brand, those three things are where I'm starting to see some scalability. So hopefully that helps with you. Like I said, a couple shout outs. Wyatt, great dude. Jobber, super helpful product. And then for me, I don't know, I think I need to shut it down for a little bit just because we're still a little busy working around the new year. But I do phone calls. So our phone calls, just kind of helping you in your business. My story was I was full-time in another job in ministry. I was full-time pastor, and 4 years ago I made the jump. Before that, for 2 years, I did it part-time. And so I know what it's like to kind of go through that transition of a full-time job, part-time on the business you want to build, and then going full-time in that business. And so with all that said, hope you have a great Christmas. Hopefully there was something in here that was helpful. And in the meantime, enjoy the here while you're working to get there.